The package dimension of the product is 2.6 L by 2.5 WX 7.7 H. Restores the skin's protective barrier. Leaves skin fresh and perfectly hydrated. Helps the skin recover its smooth and satiny appearance. Restores the skin's protective barrier. Protects skin's natural elasticity. Non-oily. Penetrates easily. Leaves skin fresh and perfectly hydrated. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic body lotion. There is a light citrus scent to this very hydrating body lotion. It absorbs quickly and is on par with the winning Cetaphil, which I have used for years. This Biotherm is an occasional indulgence.